Discovering symbolic meanings in numbers, an introduction to numerology. Welcome to the world of numerology, where numbers speak their language. Unlock the mysteries lying within numbers and delve into their profound symbolism. Our journey begins with number 1. Signifying new beginnings, independence, and unique individuality, 1 stands for the divine source, the origin of all creation. It whispers of potentials waiting to be realized. Number 2 brings balance to the equation. Reflecting duality, it gently reminds us of the importance of harmony and the delicate dance between opposing forces. With 2, we learn to find equilibrium. We then move to number 3, the number of creativity and communication. It resonates with inner wisdom, expressing the interplay of mind, body, and spirit. 3 is the catalyst of inspiration and imagination. The number 4 grounds us, symbolizing stability and order. It symbolizes the 4 cardinal directions for seasons, offering us a sense of structure, practicality, and solid foundation in life's chaos. 5, dynamic and free-spirited, embodies change and freedom. It prompts us to break free from the chains, explore the world, and embrace the unpredictable journey of life. Lastly, we meet number 6, resonating with love and compassion. It nurtures us, reminding us of the warmth and tranquility that stems from understanding and caring for others. So, welcome to numerology, where numbers tell tales. Listen closely as they unfold the secrets of life and guide you on your spiritual journey.